All right, well, we've got 4 quarts of turkey broth that we made in a previous video, and boy, look how dark rich that is. That is really good looking turkey broth. I've got the vegetables here that we used to season the broth as we were cooking the turkey carcasses down, and in the back here I've got the turkey meat that we separated and taken off the bone. And so I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to make some turkey soup today in the Instapot, or power cooker actually. And so we'll put all the meat in there for that. Kind of hard to do one-handed, but anyway, we're going to make it. And so we got our meat. We'll add our vegetables in here, which had a little bit of juice in it, but this is carrots, onions, and celery. And so we're going to take and add a little bit of rich broth to that. I've got, like I said, about 4 quarts. I probably won't use it all. We'll add this just enough to cover this to make some good soup. We're not going to add noodles. If you were adding noodles to make turkey noodle soup, it probably would take a little more broth because the noodles would absorb some of that. But we're just going to make turkey and vegetable soup. And that looks pretty good right there with 2 quarts of broth. So we'll save these other 2 quarts of broth that we have here for something else. May actually even just drink it by itself. It's really good to drink just regular bone broth if you like that. But anyway, we've got this in here and we're going to get ready and turn this pot on and stew this down. Here I'm dropping, get our lid on here on our Instapot, set our release button, and we'll turn this thing on. Since all this stuff has already been cooked, since we stewed down the meat, everything, it's already been cooked. The vegetables were cooked in it. The broth was cooked and boiled. We're just going to stew this for about, probably about, I'm going to say about 20, maybe 30 minutes. And then we'll have soup. I'm going to say 30. So we'll set that dude for 30. It'll start to pressurize, and we'll be back with you here in a few minutes and show you what this turkey soup looks like. Alright, so it's been 30 minutes. Soup should be ready. So we've got the pressure released, and we'll open the lid up and see what this turkey vegetable soup looks like. Drain that juice off the lid there, and look at that, folks. There you have it. There's the celery, carrots, and onions in the turkey that we made turkey broth. This is homemade turkey broth in there. It's got salt and pepper, and we're just going to give this a try. I'm going to fix me up a little bit here, and man, that's hot. Look at that, how good that is. Pour a little bit of that up in there. Get some of that good old homemade broth in there. Turkey, look at that right there. Oh boy, just big old chunks of turkey and carrots. Man, that's hot though. So we're gonna let that cool down and give that a try here. Try a little bit of that celery. Man, that is a deep, robust flavor. That turkey broth makes it so good. That homemade turkey soup. Folks, if you like this, please hit the like and subscribe button to our channel. Share this with your family and friends, and we'll be coming back to you soon. Y'all have a good day.